Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Alice, your enthusiastic host for today. Mark, how's it going? What's new with you?
Hey Alice, I'm doing really well, thanks for asking. Today we're diving into how to transform those tiny kitchens into efficient, beautiful, and highly functional spaces. Small kitchens may seem limiting, but with the right strategies, they can actually work harder for you than larger ones.
Exactly. I was reading a report from the National Kitchen and Bath Association that said more than 35% of households in major cities have kitchens under 50 square feet. That means small doesn't have to mean impractical. It just calls for a smarter design approach. So where do we start, Mark?
The first step is always assessing your actual needs. Professional organizer Marie Kondo often reminds us to focus on essentials and let go of items that don't spark joy or serve a purpose. In the kitchen, that translates to keeping only the tools and appliances you really use. What are your must-haves, Alice?
For me, it's about having the right basics within reach. A sharp chef's knife, a sturdy cutting board, and maybe a multi-purpose pan. Interior designer Emily Henderson suggests investing in fewer but higher quality items. That way, you don't waste precious space storing gadgets you'll barely touch.
Exactly. Once you pare things down, the next game changer is vertical space. Installing shelves or hanging racks can free up countertops. In fact, Architectural Digest often recommends wall-mounted solutions, magnetic strips for knives, pegboards for utensils, because they keep everything visible and accessible without cluttering surfaces.
I love open shelving for that reason. Not only does it look stylish, but it also encourages you to stay organized because everything's on display. Plus, it's a chance to showcase your favorite dishes or even cookbooks, so your kitchen feels personal and lived in.
Speaking of personal touches, don't forget the insides of cabinet doors. Designers like Nate Berkus suggest turning hidden areas into functional storage. Adding hooks for measuring spoons or a slim rack for spices can really make those small spaces pull their weight.
Such a great point! And let's not overlook multifunctional furniture. Those compact kitchen islands with built-in drawers or shelving are lifesavers in small spaces. They give you extra prep space, storage, and sometimes even seating.
Yes, and under-sink storage is another area people tend to neglect. With the right system of stackable bins or pull-out trays, you can fit cleaning supplies, extra paper towels, and more in a really neat way. Experts from Real Simple recommend labeling bins so you can grab what you need quickly without digging around.
That's smart. And while we're on efficiency, lighting makes such a huge difference. Under-cabinet LED strips can brighten up dark corners and instantly make a small kitchen feel more spacious. Interior lighting consultant Sally Story actually calls lighting the secret weapon in transforming small rooms.
Absolutely. Good lighting creates the illusion of depth and openness. It's not just functional, it completely changes how the space feels.
So many great tips today, Mark. To wrap this up, what's your top piece of advice for someone who feels overwhelmed by their tiny kitchen?
I'd say start small, literally. Tackle one area at a time. Maybe reorganize just your drawers this week, then move on to shelving next. And choose solutions that fit your lifestyle, not just what looks good in a magazine. That's how you create a kitchen that works for you every day.
Perfectly said. Thank you, Mark, for all the insights. And to our listeners, don't forget to subscribe and share your own kitchen hacks with us. We love learning from your ideas, too.
Yes, your support really means the world. Stay tuned. We'll be back with even more tips to make your spaces functional and inspiring.
Until next time, keep designing smarter, not bigger.